Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So guys, welcome back. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are all doing great. Today is a make dinner with me video. Mhm. Today is a make dinner with me vlog. So this evening, the time now, make it please. Can you tell me what the time is?
Okay, Mom. Just a few more steps.
Before he comes with what the time is. But I know the time now should be about 6 o'clock thereabout. Yeah. So what's the time?
Looks like it's almost six
It's almost 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock p.m.
Okay. So guys, like I said, I guess it right. It's almost 6 o'clock p.m. So it's time to make dinner. And I'm thinking what we'll make for dinner. So all I know is that at least I have some certain things in the house here. So I don't know. Let me try to put one or two together, or I don't know, whichever one it results. Let's dive right into this video, okay? I know I've rambled enough, okay? But before we ramble, before we enter into this video, let me just quickly say, please, if it's today is your first time you're coming across my channel, please do it to subscribe. I'm a lifestyle, food, family, okay? Vlogger, mom vlogger, and I'm based here in Italy. Search my videos, you must definitely find something that you love, and then please try and stick. You'll be glued, okay? And remember to turn on the post notification, that's after subscribing, so that anytime I upload new videos you will get to be notified. That being said, let's dive right into the video. Yes, Mother Ellery, what is the problem?
What are you doing?
I am videoing you. What is the problem? I want to cook and both of you are here disturbing me. I'm already.
I'm hungry.
You are hungry?
Prepare my food.
Food.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Shame on you. So guys, these are things I have here in the house. I have carrots. I have broccoli. I have beans. I have some sweet corn. And I have camp peas.
Thank you.
So let us see what we are going to come up with this. Please, people should just leave here. Last thing I want now is somebody disturbing me. Leave this kitchen, all of you.
of the small thing. Look in your eyes, know you want me. Yeah, yeah. Oh boy, you make me feel like saying, babe. Oh, love the way you talk with your eyes. Got me feeling alright. Tell me so you want me when you're lonely. Give me good loving, man, I'll be alright. Oh, baby, come talk to me. This fire, keep it burning. Them other boys keep on talking. For your case, on the mind, don't let it blow mind every time. You and me, no be no man matter. All your exes think say we just got to. You keep me calling, yeah, I got you falling. That's not a thing, not a thing we can handle. Oh boy, you're my right hand. Show me love, tell me you're the only one for me, boy. When you hold me, I feel it. Hope it's still win up in the air. I'ma show you my love now. I'm the only one for you, boy. Ba ba da ba ba da day. You make what I call you. Ba da ba ba da day. Yeah, my heart just to call you. Ba ba da ba ba da day. You make what I call you. Ba da ba ba da day. Yeah, my heart just to call you.
Would you call me? Get 080 in the morning. Why you so hard on me? Oh, my baby, don't do like that. I know you love it when I call you baby boo. You going crazy and I love the way you do it. The way you back it up on me, I swear you too good. The way you love it up on me. And I'm thinking, can we keep it in secret? Don't bother, girl, I'll be honest. No wonder why you be asking if I'm the one for you. I see the stars in your eyes when I look into it. You're so amazing, girl, I picture you so perfect in me. I'm gonna write the pistols, no, not the pistols. I mean your attributes and the way your body move. Maybe an article, posing it up like I'm script. I'm loving the role you play. Can I call you baby boo?
Oh boy, you're my right hand. Show me love, tell me you're the only one for me, boy. When you hold me, I feel it. Hope it's still win up in the air. I'ma show you my love now. I'm the only one for you, boy. Ba ba da ba ba da day. You make what I call you. Ba da ba ba da day. Yeah, my heart just to call you. Ba ba da ba ba da day. You make what I call you. Ba da ba ba da day. Yeah, my heart just to call you. Oh, hey, oh, you're the talent. I got your style, but it's small. Look in your eyes like you want me. Oh, hey, oh, you're the talent. I got your style, but it's small. Look in your eyes like you want me. Calling. Oh, hey, oh, you're the talent. I got your style, but it's small. Look in your eyes like you want me. Yeah, yeah. Oh boy, you make me feel like saying, babe. Oh, love the way you talk with your eyes. Got me feeling alright. Tell me so you want me when you're lonely. Give me good loving, man, I'll be alright. Oh, baby, come talk to me. This fire, keep it burning. Them other boys keep on talking. For your case, on the mind, don't let it blow mind every time. You and me, no be no man matter. All your exes think say we just got to. You keep me calling, yeah, I got you falling. That's not a thing, not a thing we can handle. Oh boy.
Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is what we came up with. And the food is delicious alone. So I can't wait to devour it. Thank you. If this is the first time, please do not forget to subscribe. Bye.
You're my right